Here is a wonderful 2018 Hyundai Sonata. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's a spacious and comfortable Hyundai Sonata, the midsize sedan that prioritizes a smooth ride, connected infotainment, and passenger safety. With ample cargo space, standard driver assistance, and standout style, this family-friendly four-door is ready to take you places. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, cruise control. Give your family the comfort they deserve when you travel in this refined, well-equipped Sonata. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.